Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Atlas Honda's 2025 lineup has brought something truly exciting for motorcycle enthusiasts. Known for its reliability, durability, and innovation, Atlas Honda continues to dominate the two-wheeler market in Pakistan and beyond. The 2025 models reflect a perfect blend of modern technology, enhanced performance, and stylish designs, setting a new benchmark in the motorcycle industry. Whether you're a daily commuter or a biking enthusiast, the 2025 Atlas Honda lineup promises something for everyone. One of the standout features of the 2025 Atlas Honda models is their improved engine performance. The company has upgraded its engines to offer better fuel efficiency without compromising on power. This year's lineup includes advanced air-cooled, four-stroke engines designed to deliver smoother rides and higher mileage. These improvements make the bikes not only more economical but also more environmentally friendly, addressing the growing demand for eco-conscious transportation. The design of the 2025 Atlas Honda models has also taken a significant leap forward, with sleek, aerodynamic shapes and eye-catching color options. These bikes are more stylish than ever before. The addition of modern LED headlights and digital meter panels gives them a futuristic appeal while ensuring better visibility and accurate readings. The comfortable seating and improved suspension systems make long rides far more enjoyable, minimizing fatigue and maximizing control on all kinds of terrains. When it comes to safety, Atlas Honda has made remarkable progress. The 2025 models are equipped with advanced braking systems, ensuring shorter stopping distances and better control in emergency situations. Tubeless tires have become standard across most models, reducing the risk of sudden punctures and providing better grip on wet and uneven roads. This focus on safety enhances the rider's confidence, making every journey more secure and comfortable. Another major highlight of the 2025 lineup is the incorporation of smart technology. Certain models now feature keyless ignition and anti-theft alarms, making them more convenient and secure. USB charging ports have also been introduced, allowing riders to charge their devices on the go, a feature that's particularly useful for long-distance travelers and delivery riders. This integration of modern tech shows Atlas Honda's commitment to meeting the evolving needs of today's bikers. The 2025 Atlas Honda bikes are also more customizable than before, from different seat options to enhanced exhaust systems and a wide range of color schemes. Riders can now personalize their bikes to suit their individual style and preferences. This level of customization is a welcome change, adding a personal touch to each ride and allowing owners to stand out on the road. Price remains a crucial factor for many buyers, and Atlas Honda continues to offer excellent value for money. Despite the advanced features and improved performance, the 2025 models remain competitively priced. This affordability, combined with the brand's reputation for low maintenance costs and easy availability of spare parts, makes these bikes an ideal choice for budget-conscious riders. In terms of market impact, the 2025 Atlas Honda lineup is already creating waves. Early reviews highlight the exceptional build quality and innovative features, with many riders praising the comfort and efficiency of the new models. Whether it's the ever-popular Honda CD70, the powerful CG125, or the more advanced CB150F, each bike in the 2025 lineup brings something unique to the table. As Atlas Honda continues to push the boundaries of innovation and performance, the 2025 models reaffirm the brand's position as a leader in the motorcycle industry. By blending advanced technology, stylish designs, and practical features, these bikes cater to a wide range of riders, from city commuters to long-distance travelers. If you're looking for a motorcycle that offers reliability, style, and cutting-edge features, the 2025 Atlas Honda lineup is undoubtedly worth considering.